Basic tutorial about camera modes on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's go to camera. By default you are on the photo tab, so you can tap on other modes to switch. Night mode adjusts exposure for darker lighting. In portrait mode you can move the object closer to camera to get blurred background. Next you can tap on the more tab and add another mode: panorama, food, pro video and pro photo. Let's add pro photo here. Tap and hold, then drag and drop. Also tap and hold and drag and drop to move across the panel. Tap on save once you've finished. Let's go to pro photo, and here is your toolbox icon for dots. Open toolbox to access quick settings, and tap on gear icon to access full settings menu. For now, that's pretty it. I think you can start using your camera right now and explore for more features, explore for all modes, explore for settings. So this is a really big word, not for just one short video. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe for the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.